Hello guys, so I just stumbled upon this really cool guide from Trello which talks about some Trello hacks, Trello advanced usage, some pro tips, and let's just go through it and read it. So basically I already talked about Trello 101 in one of my previous videos. But here we're gonna talk about more advanced stuff. If you already using Trello, if you love it, and if you want to move further and become a really professional Trello user. So first of all, you need to get used to Trello keyboard shortcuts. You can visit this page here, and they have a handy list of all these shortcuts. So there are some few favorites. So how to quickly view all of your cards. Q is for you. Add yourself to cards by pressing the space bar. Add due dates with the DK. Use Shift Enter to save a card and go right to the card back. It's really handy. So if you're a powerful Trello user, you should learn it. So another tool is that you can import items instantly. So you can just basically copy all the items from Google Sheet or Excel and just start copying it into the card, and then it will ask, should I create another 30 cards, or should it be just one card? So it's really cool. So another tip is you should mark your cards as done, so as is shown here. So there are plenty of ways how you can do it. You can just create a done list in the Trello. You can add due dates to cards and then click a checkbox here. You can create a label to signify done. And then you will just apply this label to cards. You can use a custom fields power up and create a done checkbox. So all the stuff, you can also use some specific stickers, you can archive it. So all this stuff is really handy, but I personally really enjoy when you put this done item on the card, and it's really cool. So another stuff is that you can create cards from emails. So every Trello board has an email attached just for you. So all this stuff you can interact with your email, and it's really handy. So also just to add, if you don't like email and other stuff, Trello works perfectly with Slack. So you can create tasks and boards directly from Slack. I personally really like it, and it works for me much better than using email, because I just like Slack, just communicating with team, and then you can, when you're typing, just create some task in Trello. So it's it works perfect as your sort of to-do option. Another thing is you can star your boards. So this way you add more organization to your boards, and you can see which are most important. All your cards in one place. You can see all of the work you are doing across multiple boards with the cards page, and you can see all the cards. Also use search in Trello, so you can search my cards, you can get it done, you can use special queries. For example, @me will return all of your cards due week, returns all cards due in the next 7 days. Label red returns all cards with a red label applied. So it's really cool, right? @me due overdue. So all this kind of stuff. So that's about it. Personally, I think if you start using all this professional Trello tips, you will become much more advanced Trello user. Thanks for watching.